Hello guys, so long time and look at where we are, back to the past. So here I have my old TV, a CRT. It's just a 21-inch LG tube. So it's been lying around for over like 3-4 years. So I thought, why not try to connect Fire TV, and I was looking for some HDMI to AV adapters, and I got one from the local market. So this is the one. It's this is the output. Why do you need to upscale it? Okay. So I have connected my Fire stick here, and yes, this is powered conversion. So the converter needs power. So it has a mini USB and not a micro USB. So the Fire stick uses a micro USB and this one uses a mini USB, but anyway it's USB. So we need two USBs to be connected. So I got a USB hub. I'll connect it here. I hope it can power enough. So, and then I have a USB with Xiaomi charger. This one is 10 watts, 5 volt, 2 amps. So maybe it should work. So yeah. So I'll connect it there, and before that I need to connect the AV cables. So I only have an audio cable, but I think it should still work. It's really old. Let me try it. CVBS, I don't know what it is, but I think it should work. Let's see. I don't even know where is the port for this one. Okay. Oh, here they are. I hope these ports work. Okay. Will these ports work without a problem? They look really damaged. Oh boy. Let's see. So I'll connect the red one to the video. So I have only two, so it's going to be stereo, but not one speaker won't be working. So it's here, and then we go here. I connected it. So, and now the USB power. Okay, the light is from here. I don't see any LED glowing here. Does Fire TV have any LED? No. Okay. Oh, look at that menu, man. What? What is this? Nothing. AV 1 and 2. Are there two AVs here? No. Where's the Fire TV? Wow, look at that, what we got here. Says AV2. No signal. I think this is it. Let's try turning it off. Yeah. It's this one. No signal. Actually, I was trying to test it, so I removed the fire stick. And no, nothing is happening. Is the fire stick turning on or not? Wow. Oh, wow. Wow. Look at that. We got Fire TV on a... Okay. I think it's working. Oh, it's working. That's cool. This is amazing. I can make use of this as a spare TV and watch YouTube. Will it even boot up? Something is going on. Maybe I think there is problem in choosing the resolution. Let's wait and see. Okay, that's a lot of to and fro. I think it's not working. LG. So Fire TV stick has this video resolution option, so I'll just set it to the lowest using my another LCD monitor. Set it at 720p, and we will also set the HDMI CEC to off. Oh wow, I think it's okay. I don't think that's a big change. Let's see. I reduce the resolution to 720p 50 Hz, and that is the lowest resolution in Fire TV. Let's see, is it booting? I don't see any flicker now. This seems really good. Okay. Come on. Okay, I think it's the same place. Flicker. Yep. It just rebooted. Why would that be? Maybe the resolution coming out of here is 1080p. Is it possible to send 1080p over this AV cables? Do you think? Okay, now I am trying to see first fully boot the Fire Stick without connecting it here. So once it is booted completely, then we'll try to plug it in and see if it can, if there is something different happening than this one. Would it have booted? Let's wait. The Royal Enfield. Just noisy. Okay, let's connect it now. What happened? Okay, it's just not working. Anyway, I think let's end this video here. If at all it works, I'll and see what can be done. Bye bye.